So we were at home for a very long time. Me and my friends, we were just going out to do the essential shoppings and the things which are absolutely needed. But we decided one day we'll go out to eat somewhere nice. And we decided that where can we go for a very short time and we can eat a lot of food for a reasonable price. And I think the best place in that sense would be, of course, Barbecue Nation. I've been there quite a few times, around India. A few of my friends, they have been there twice or thrice in the outlets in Kolkata. But there are actually a few friends who have never been there. So they are really excited, and I am really excited to take them there because they have seen so many videos and reviews. People from all around the world came to Kolkata and they shot films at Barbecue Nation. They ate a ton of food and they were very happy and they gave very good reviews. So जैसे मेरे दोस्त थे पूरी रात बैठ के वीडियोस देखता है तो बारबेक्यू नेशन का और लाल टपका के बिस्तर भिगो देता है. Did it sound like हिंदुस्तानी भाव टपा टप? Okay, sorry.
टपा टप अभी बता था.
Cut. So let's go. লাগছে আপনার ফার্স্ট টাইম
এখনো খাবারটা আছে বাট রিভিউস অনেক দেখেছি এক্সাইটেড
We are back from Barbecue Nation. We went to Diamond Plaza to eat a big lunch, but unfortunately the experience was not so good, in a sense that we have been there many times and we have had amazing experience, but this time it was different. Of course, because of the pandemic. So to start with, when we went inside, we saw our reservation was not ready. To make the table ready, we had to wait. Then the plates and the cutlery, the grill, all of those took a long time to come. And what happens usually when you go to Barbecue Nation, during normal times, there are at least 1 to 2 waiters serving one table, but this time there was one waiter serving 3 tables. So you can imagine how long that would take. And I guess because it was 3:30 p.m, the kebabs, they took a long time to come, the skewers. After finishing one, skewer of a kebab, we had to wait a very long time. We were disappointed. Fun thing about Barbecue Nation, when you put the meat on the grill, you get a feeling that you're cooking the meat, which you're not actually cooking. It just keeps the meat hot because it's kind of like a charcoal grill. But then you can have all of those seasonings. If you can remember, there are like 3 pots and there's a brush. So you get the fun thing, like brushing the meat, season the meat, like पूरा लगता है कि पूरा मक्खन डाल के पका रहे. तो वो फीलिंग आपको मिलने वाला है नहीं. So I asked them why isn't it there? They said due to the restrictions we cannot have it on the table. And I came to know that आप जब उसको करते ना गंदा करते तो वो फिर से वापस वो ये सब reuse करते. So I could understand कि you don't get your fresh seasoning. So anyway, that's not the main part of my disappointment or our disappointment. And I think there were less people in the kitchen as well. So the kebabs were taking a long time to come, and at the same time they were not cooked up to the mark. Maybe a few more minutes, like 3-4 minutes would have made the starters amazing. I think they had less staff in their kitchen, so that's why you go there, you get all these types of starters like salads and this and that, and they always encourage you to try more stuff. But this time there was only the basic chicken and the prawn and the fish. I guess the prawn wasn't even there. We had to ask for the prawn and the mutton sheikh kebab and the chicken wings. So they kept giving us just the chicken and the fish kebabs. That's it. So I think it was not so good with the starters. You usually get a lot of starters and you get encouraged to try out more. So we just got the corn, the chicken and the fish. But we did request them and they gave us prawns and pineapples and mushrooms. But every time we ask for a thing, it takes a very long time. I mean, very long time, like 10 or 15 minutes. And 10 or 15 minutes usually is a very long time when you're very hungry and waiting for just a small piece of starter. There is no buffet because of the social distancing. Because people are not supposed to go and walk around in the restaurant. They are supposed to sit in places. They're not supposed to move around. And they're supposed to sit with, gaps in between other tables, and also sometimes with gaps, within your group. So there was no buffet. So the menu, every time you book, remember to give your phone number. The menu gets sent to your phone number via text. So you get the menu, and if you don't have the menu, you can ask them. Before they used to have a big selection of mains in the buffet, but this time they only have a few selections like the biryani, steamed rice, basic mutton curry, basic chicken curry. In Chinese, I guess, Indo-Chinese of course, there's like noodles and vegetable Manchurian. So that is it. So you're not going to get a huge selection in the mains, and you cannot go and have a look. You can only order, you can only ask for it, and they will bring that in small portions, but of course you can ask for more if you finish it. Coming to the sweet section, before they used to have, I guess, easily 10 to 15 types of desserts like cakes, sweets, and I don't know, other things. This time they had like 6 to 7 things, which included a few tiny cakes and the kheer, and the best thing, firni. The firni in Barbecue Nation is quite good. I think it's very good. There were like 6 to 7 selections in the sweet section, and after you finish you can always ask for more. I had a lot of firni. I had like 7 to 8 bowls of firni, and I could have more, but I thought, okay, no, I should skip to the ice cream section. Another big disappointment was their anguri gulab jamun. The tiny gulab jamuns which melts in your mouth. They were not hot. They were cold, and those small tiny gulab jamuns, when they are hot or warm, they melt in your mouth. So they were not warm. But of course you can ask them, like microwave it or something, or do something. So we did ask them to microwave it, and it came back hot and it was better. Kulfis, their kulfis are amazing as usual. I have no complaints on the kulfi. At the end of the day, there was a lot of food. We are disappointed because we had very high expectations. Some of us had high expectations because we have been there before. We loved it, and the other people, they have watched many videos and they had a high expectation as well. So it was not up to the mark, but we have to understand the situation. Everybody is trying to keep up the work. Restaurants are working on cut out staff numbers, so we have to understand the situation. It's not going to be the same as before, but it's Barbecue Nation. You get a lot of food to eat on a very cheap price, on a very cheap rate. But if you have any problem, if you're not liking something, you should talk to them while you're eating. I guess they will try to help you or to customize the things for you, because it's Barbecue Nation. We all love Barbecue Nation. It's an amazing restaurant. So bye for now. Until the next video, stay tuned. And of course, you can always join us for more videos and food and travels, because together we eat and travel.